What's up, everybody? My name is Brad. This is my Hotshot channel, Twin Rivers Hotshot. So when my truck went down, I left it in Oklahoma City, and so I'm passing back through Oklahoma City, headed to Dallas. We were gonna get another driver to pick it up. We ended up booking him a load instead because, I mean, we're here to make money. We're not here to shuffle equipment around. So the keys are supposed to be in the gas tank, and then I gotta go home. I gotta head home. Me and my wife are gonna come back and pick her up. Build my truck, billet, drum, brand new double-sided clutches, all of it. I took my truck when it was dropped off in Oklahoma City to AMCO. I let AMCO kind of diagnose my truck. My truck would not ship out of 6. We picked up Scotty's truck and I finished the run. So while I was on that run, AMCO diagnosed my truck. Basically swapped transmissions. They quoted me $10,000 and another one $12,000. One was a week and a half wait on the $10,000 one. The other one was a 3-week wait for the transmission. I told them, hey, don't worry about it. I'm gonna come get my truck. They said, that's fine. I took it to a shop in Azle, Texas, called Billy's Automotive and Transmission. I talked to Billy. He said he would rebuild my whole transmission, you know, for about $5,500 to $6,000. Rebuild it in-house. All billet, inside billet drum, billet plate, new clutches, the high pressure clutches, the whole 9. And he said if you have it to me by Monday, it'll be done by Friday. I went and picked it up, Oklahoma City. I dropped it off. He had my truck done in 2 days. That was huge. That was a game changer for me. What was wrong with my truck was I had a cracked transmission filter. For some reason, the screw-on filter, it was a metal, but it had plastic threads, and basically that was cracked. But he said my number 5 clutch was thin, so he rebuilt everything for me. 2 days. And like, that was a huge thing to me. Not only was it cost effective, but I was not down for 3 weeks. You know, that would have killed me. So, I'm gonna wrap this up now. I'm so far behind in videos. So far behind. But look, man. You guys need transmission work? Look around. The number one reason why a lot of people go out of business doing this is for a major breakdown. You know, AMCO quoted me. I just said, hey, more than anything, it was the time, you know, being down a week, 3 weeks, that would have killed me. You know, just at the, you know, the bare minimum, that's $15,000 lost revenue. So, but I'm gonna put this video out. The guy did me right, Billy. He did billet drum, billet shield, new clutches, drilled out valve bodies, put Rev Max torque converter in. I mean, and 2 days turnaround. I dropped it off Tuesday. I went there Wednesday just to check on it. And he already had my transmission off on a stand inside my truck. But, you know, it's stuff like that I appreciate. And I told him, hey, I have a Hotshot business. I have several trucks. I have a tire guy. I have a guy that does my decals, my inspections. You know, I have guys for everything, but what I don't have is an honest mechanic. That dude has my trust because he told me, you know, we can put your transmission back in it. He said, but your number 5 clutch is looking a little thin. And I said, no, let's do it now. So, but anyways, guys, do not subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to it. This is the real Hotshot. This is blowing transmissions, doing what you can to keep going. And, but yeah, you guys be safe out there. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.